That's not acting. That's a full-blown award season campaign. All right. Step aside, human. Wall plug solid. Let me check that. Not bad at all. When your human gets too emotional.
You are my best friend.
Wow.
And I don't mean like best pet friend, I mean best friend. I like you more than all of the humans I've ever met combined.
He moved his foot. I copied. Am I becoming him?
I'm stealth itself. I'm the knight. Abort mission.
It started as a game, ended as a declaration of war.
О, ты тут, здоров.
Bro thought he was in a business meeting.
Bro just unlocked the hiss mode.
Ignored like a pro.
Yo, you supposed to be over there on the couch, my nigga. Get your ass out of here. What?
When your cat discovers vocal blackmail. 37 minutes outside? I memorized your sleep schedule.
When your buddy's been alone for way too long, this is what it looks like.
Don't test my patience unless you enjoy surprise paw jabs.
That face says, I regret every life choice that led me here. The room just redecorated itself, totally normal. Yeah, I'm tiny, but territorially terrifying. And armed with chaos.
Popcorn spotted. Paw extended. Mission complete. Yes. Bored. Never. Living his best life.
Mom, forget the milk. I want to drink this instead.
How dare you do that
Alone.
to Coca-Cola? Where did you get that Coca-Cola? Did you take it?
He didn't move out of respect. He moved out of fear of the king.
Yeah, I'm the king.
One second we're besties. Next thing I'm the villain.
Trying to get attention but being ignored.
So I just walked in from work and there's one cat, but as I walk into the kitchen and set my stuff...
When you suddenly realize your house has been taken over by cats.
Comfy there, bud? You good?
When the evidence is in their teeth, but the denial is strong. When your cat goes into full hunter mode, that bug's fate is sealed.
If you're planning to mess with this friend, maybe be a little more sneaky about it.
Laser pointer. Look. It's a laser pointer. How come the other cats like it? Look. Look on the ground. Okay. We might play with it. Oh, God.
When you're too curious and karma claps back instantly.
What the fuck? Go.
When you just want cuddles, but your cat activates the do not touch alarm.
Anthony, 一目惚れしたのさ。
When your kitten appoints you as official human pillow.
Ding dong. Ma'am, there's no need to be violent. Bringing your package.
Peace was never an option.
Kitty said, "Oh, it yells, better not touch it."
Lady, what's so funny? Wait, what did you just say that sounded weird? I swear I heard something. Did you just say that again? Stop it. Playing catch is never boring for him. Not aggression, just toothy affection.
No, to make cut can.
All right, Yellow, your turn. Daddy?
His confused face was the cutest thing I saw today.
Oh my god.
When you want to go outside, but don't feel like hitting the park. The ultimate taste test. Let's try a bite of everything.
I said one bite! You asshole! There he goes again. He struck again. He ate the whole thing in one bite.
Bak şıpıdık bıyığın bükülmüş. Düzelteyim.
When the cat says he's mine with her whole chest.
Oh, sarıl, sarıl, sarıl.
When a random cat decides you're its new favorite chair.
What's happening? What do I do?
Just pet him. Pet him.
He's gonna bite me.
No, he's sweet. He's sweet.
I feel a claw.
Then he just.
This cat's got a slap schedule, one paw at a time.
Oh my god, that was a big one. You alright?
Wait, listen.
Nothing like being a human climbing frame, but at least Pancake is having a good time.
Who's my little smoochie? My little smoochie bear.
Little Cat sure doesn't look happy about his nickname.
Smoochie's the perfect name for you. My little smoochie.
When your kitten absolutely refuses to be apart from you. When your cat tests the limits of what's mine is yours. Can any cat parents relate?
Didn't give her enough attention all day. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Get it all out, sweetheart. Yeah, no, I know. I clothe you. I house you. I feed you. You ain't paying no rent. Go ahead.
Should I eat healthy tonight?
When your cat vetoes your healthy eating agenda.
No, I didn't think so.
When your cat thinks 3 a.m. is prime time for MMA training. He baited her with the cuteness, then struck. When your cat thinks you're a feline imposter. He definitely lost the battle against his own tail. Had a good laugh? Drop a comment with your favorite cat, like subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. This is just the beginning. More feline chaos coming soon.